Today is going to be a beautiful day, and so we are getting ready to go into town, and we're going to take a carriage ride, learn about the history of Beaufort, and then afterwards we are going to meet up with our new friends Keith and Nancy and have lunch.
Those are all right in your period. He would work 10 hours a day, 6 days a week, pulling up to 5 times his own body. Of course, nobody works that hard.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass, I could really use some stuff like that.
Never mind.
I'm ready to get a little bucket of water.
Okay. You say you got a little bucket?
Yeah. It's fresh water.
I mean a little bucket.
Oh.
One of the little paint ones I use.
Yeah.
Just so I can splash water up and
Rinse
make
it
fall
off.
off. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't need fresh water, I just need a bucket.
Is this what you want?
Yeah. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. That's coming down and I can be in the front and help. Or is it too big of a job?
I don't think you should have done it.
Bending over too much?
Yeah. It's very uncomfortable. Loosen up my bow a little.
Alright.
The bracelet, Ron,
You're welcome.
and the necklace.
I've drowned too deep, no strength to fight.
poor tug is just working and working and working, trying to pull all those barges behind him. He's barely moving. He's going against the current. It's a strong current, and he's just edging along. He's been sitting out there for quite a while, barely moved anywhere.
It's as long as a train. I have never seen anything like that on the water before.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's not only the tug pulling, but he's got two smaller tugs behind pushing, and they're still hardly making headway. Thanks for watching.